Guys, I've decided to go storm chasing. Guess what I found? I just went through Helene. I'm down in Florida now. And now Milton is coming out. But look what I found. Guys, can you see that? I mean, this will give you a pretty good idea. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's a 1905 Indian head penny. I've seen these things for $2,000 on the internet. I got mine from Change at the store. It was something like I needed 504, so I gave him 510 because I just happened to have a dime in my pocket. And I got 4 pennies back, or a penny and a nickel. I'm not sure what I got back, honestly, but this was part of it. I'm not sure what the cost was. It was over $5, like $5.07 or something stupid, $5.06 or something. Yeah, I don't know anything about these things except for I looked it up on the internet. I mean, it's pretty damaged. I don't know what that's. It's like some sort of shield or something. I think it's got a blop of something on it. Otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. All the little nicks on the outside are mostly there. Something right there. What's that? Enhance. It's a misstrike or something. Probably makes it worth $21,000. A lot of nice little detail. Some sort of a arrow sash, I think. Some bushes. More bushes. And something at the bottom. Oh, more arrows. 2 arrow bushel. 2 arrow. How many arrows is there? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Right? Not 2 bundles. United States of America. 1905. This Indian, if I had to guess his name, I'd say it was probably like, I'm not sure, probably like Sitting Bull or something. I doubt it though. Definitely some sort of Indian headdress. I mean, I can't tell by the skin color, but 1905. This thing's been hammered on once or twice. See that? Maybe just once. Anyways, can you believe that, guys? It's unbelievable. Things you'll find. So now I'm going to try to chase this storm. What's it called? Milton. And see if I can find more stuff. Thanks for watching.